Hello everyone.
Hello,
Hello,
Hello guys.
sir.
hello,
How are you
sir.
today?
I'm great. I'm great.
Not pretty well.
Okay, Elvina. Before we start the class, please turn on your camera, guys. Okay. Before starting the material, I will be present. Okay. Please answer the name of the person I call. Shirley.
Present,
Hello,
sir.
Shirley. Okay, Adima.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Adima. Okay, Elvina.
Yes, sir.
Elvina. Hello, Elvina. Elvina.
Sorry, sir. My connection is bad.
Uh,
I'm present.
okay, Elvina. Next.
Present, sir.
Okay. Yusnia.
Present.
Okay. Nila.
Present.
Hello. Okay, Nila. Okay, everyone is here. Let's just open it by praying. Now start praying. Don't pray. Next, please. Okay, our focus today is what is heat and heat transfer, and last is experiment. Next, what is heat? Heat is heat energy can move from high temperature to low temperature object. Can someone give an example of heat transfer? Anyone? Hello.
Me, sir. The example
Okay,
is
Yusnia.
when we boiling the water
And
and when we try under the sun.
okay. Okay. Great job, Yusnia. All of those are example of heat transfer. When boiling water, when drying cloth under the sun, and when ironing cloth. Good job, Yusnia. Next, please. Next is convection. Convection is the transfer of heat that occurs in a substance accompanied by the movement of particle of that substance. An example is when boiling water, the temperature at the bottom increase, causing the water to rise. The cooler water, the cooler water at the top then moves downward. This process continues, repeat, and until the water boils. Next, radiation is heat transfer that occurs in the form of propagating electromagnetic waves without the need for an intermediary substance. And heat transfer radiation in substance medium. An example is when walking under the sun, the heat from the sun transfers to the skin, making the skin feel hot. Next, okay, next watching the video. And Okay guys, in this video, why does your right hand feel warm when in the normal water, but your left hand feel cold? Because the heat from the water move into the right hand and making it feel warm. Meanwhile, in the left hand, the heat from the hand transport the water and making feel cold. Next, please. Next, Adiman. Okay, time for experiment. You can scan this. Please scan the QR below.
Yes, sir. Done. What the next step?
Okay, wait. Okay. Next, we will do an experiment and put water and oil on the stove. It's discussion session. Now we are moving on the discussion session. Please scan and follow the introduction. Okay. Group 1 is Adima, Adesta, and Elvina. And group 2 is Firda, Shiva, Yusnia, and Shirley. And Nila. You can join. Please scan and follow the instructions.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Nila group 2. Nila group 1. Group 1 is Adimas, Adesta, Elvina, and Nila. Group 2.
Scan on.
In group, Elvina, you can link in group.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, guys, everyone okay?
Yes, sir. We are done. Discussion.
Discussion is done.
Yes.
Okay, wait, group 1 to join this discussion session. When group 2 done is you can back. Hello guys, is everyone done?
Done, sir.
Okay, group 1, please present your answer. You can share screen. From slide 1. Okay. Okay, group 1, please present your answer.
Okay, I want to presentation about our task. Member of group 1 is Adimas, Elvina, Nila, and Adista. Next. Okay, my problem of this task is train track If defined into two groups and answer the question below. 1. How can train track bend? Explain. 2. Look for solution to train. Look for solution to bend train track. Explain why the solution can solve the problem of bend rails. 3. Present the result. Present the result. Next, our answer is 1. Train track can bend due to thermal expansion. When the temperature rises, the steel rails expand. If there is not enough space for the rails to expand lengthwise, the pressure builds up and causes the track to bend or buckle sideways. This phenomena is known as track buckling or sunken. It usually happens during hot weather when the rail absorbs a lot of heat and expands more than usual. Maybe next answer.
Okay, number 2, and there are several solutions to prevent or fix bend train track. And number 1 is painting the rails white. White paint reflects sunlight, keeping the rails cooler and reducing the amount of expansion. Number 2, using high quality ballast. Good ballast out the rails and ties firmly in place, making it harder for the rails to move or bend. Number 3, installing rail on coarse and modern fastenings. This device holds the rails tightly and prevent them from shifting due to expansion. Number 4, installing rails at a natural temperature. Rails are light when the temperature is average, so they can expand and contract safely throughout the year. And last, limiting train speed during hot weather. Slower speeds reduce the stress on the tracks, lowering the risk of derailment if the rails do bend. These solutions are effective because they either reduce the temperature of rails, increase the stability of the track structure, or allow for safe expansion and contraction, all of which help prevent the rails from bending.
Okay, next. Okay, next is group 2. Please presentation your answer.
Okay, guys, I'm for the group 2. The member is Yusnia, Shiva, Firda, and Manda. Next. The question is, number 1 is, how can train track bend and explain. For number 2 is, look for solution to bend train track. Explain why the solution can solve the problem of bend rails. Next. Okay, the answer for number 1 is, train track can bend due to thermal expansion. When the temperature increases, the metal rail absorbs heat and expand. Since the rails are often laid very tightly with little room to expand, this had caused the rail to push against each other. As a result, they can warp or bend sideways, a condition known as sand kicks. This is dangerous because it can lead to train derailment. For answer is number 2 is, because the joint provides space for expansion to prevent the build-up of internal stress in the metal. This reduce the rise of bending and keep the track alive. Okay, this is answer from the group 2. Thank you.
Okay, you can reaction to give applause to group 1 and group 2. Finally, Mas balik PPT Mas. Okay. Next. Okay, finally we've reached the end of today's lesson. But before we finish, let's review what we'll. But before we finish, let's review what we've learned today. The concept of heat conduction, convection, and radiation. And second is we conduct an experiment on heat transfer. And finally, we had a discussion session. Thank you all for attention, guys. Before we leave, let's pray together. Start praying. Don't praying. Thank you, everyone. See you all again. See you all
Thank you,
again next
sir.
time.
See you, sir. Thank you.
See you.